Hello everyone, welcome to Folding Friday with the Carbondale Park District. Today we're going to be folding an origami peacock. I'm starting with a square of blue origami paper. To start, I'm going to fold it in half, diagonally corner to corner. I'm going to open it up and fold the bottom right edge to the center line. I'm going to do the same thing with the bottom left edge. Once I've done that, I'm going to open it up, flip it upside down, and I'm going to take that bottom right edge and fold it to the crease we just made. Now, I'm going to fold along an existing crease. Next, I'm going to take that left corner and fold it over to meet with the right corner. It should line up perfectly, with a very sharp corner at the bottom. Now, we can fold along an existing crease to open it up. Next, I'm going to fold that edge back into the center. I'm going to do the same thing on the left side. There we go. Flip the model over, and then fold the bottom corner up to the top. The paper's pretty thick. Next, we're going to fold it in half. That trapped corner is going to be pulled out like this, and it moves like a hinge. Pull it out until it's a little bit wide like this. Next, I'm going to take this point and fold it straight upwards. The paper is pretty thick. I'm going to fold it backwards along the same line. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to flatten out that point a little bit, and on the underside, I'm going to bring that corner backwards. You can see the folds here, and you can look at them from above. Once again, that's going to pop the neck upwards. Now we're going to do the same thing with the upper part of the neck to make the head. Bending it forward and then folding it backwards. Again, we're going to open it up a little bit. And from the front, we can bring the head towards us. I'll show you what that looks like from the top. And what it looks like from the bottom. The bulk of our peacock is all done. But now we gotta work on the tail. If you floof out all of the tail, you'll get these ribs. And you can accentuate them by folding them back and forth. You can see where I've folded all of these folds. It helps add definition to our bird. And there we go. We've got our origami peacock. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for next week's Folding Friday.